I was created with AI, me too.
Yeah! You can do it too, my guy!
You ignored the date like it was optional. Now I'm sour, clumpy, and biologically active. One sniff would have saved us both.
Turn brown in 2 days and suddenly I'm unusable? Do you even know how sweet I get when I ripen? You waste me at my peak, yeah, that's the real problem.
You said it and forgot me again! Now I'm carbon with crumb regret. I had carbs.
You bruise once and panic. Meanwhile, I sit here polished and ignored. Perfection isn't loud, Fow, it me now.
Hi guys, as you can see, these talking AI fruits are trending. They are trendy video that one who wish to venture into any other niche can go into. It is not very competitive, and I tell you, these videos are trending. Talking fruits, talking AI fruit, they are trending, and they are very easy to create. If you go to Instagram, you find different people creating them. If you go to YouTube, even on Facebook, you find them there, and they are making tons of views. They are getting high views. Like there are different methods by which you can create this kind of content. You can actually give your ChatGPT a prompt to, depends on your intent, how you want it to be. Give it a prompt, and it generates for you. Then you edit, or you use this other simple method that I'm about to show you. Okay, let's head in. First thing is to head to ChatGPT. Then you click on this signs here, these two lines here. Once you click on it, you see apps. You tap on the apps there. Then you see here GPTs. You tap on it. Once it's open up, you're going to type in talking objects. Okay, talking objects. So as you can see, you see this one with 1 million plus. We'll tap on it. That's one I actually use. I tap on it, and I'll click on start chat here. Then I'll now type in the object that I want to use. You can type in over the orange, banana, apple, pineapple, anyone. So I just start with banana. Just type in banana first. Let's start with banana. Click on enter. Okay, this is the prompt for the banana. You can see text to image prompt. So we are going to copy this prompt. Mind you, it's generated the image prompt for the banana. That's the prompt we are going to use to create the banana image. It also generated a 10-second script. A 10-second script also generated a 10-second script for the video. So as you can see other things. You see something like related object characters. You see apple, smoke, fruit, bowl. So it's like other related fruits that you can use. We have apple here. The image prompt and the video script. We have orange here, orange chew countertop. You also have bread slice, steel bread box. We have other one in case you want to make use of any other one. You can easily copy the prompt for the particular fruit. They also have the image, the prompt for the video also here. So we are going to copy this prompt for the banana. So tap on this copy here, and this copy, and we are going to Google Gemini to create our image. Gemini.google.com. I click on it to open. Okay, why it's open? Of course, if you have not used it before, you definitely gonna sign in with your email, your Gmail. So what you do, you click on create image here. You see this place here, create image. I'll click on it. When I click on it, this is what comes up. You see this level up your project with okay, not now. Click not now. Let's just go up. Then we are going to click on describe your image. So the prompt we generate, you are going to paste it here. Click and hold on here, click on paste. Then we'll click on enter. We'll click on enter and wait for the image to generate. Let's see what comes up. Wow, our image is out. As you can see, this is the image. Wow, it's a nice one. I think I like this. So I'm going to click. When I tap on it, they will click. You see this save. You see save here, which is download. I click on it and it will download right into my gallery. Now, in order for us to, they will click on done. In order for us to convert this to image, remember there is a video prompt. So we go back to ChatGPT and go and copy that video prompt and go to the software we use to convert this image to video to be talking. So I'll go over to ChatGPT again and I'll copy the 10-second script. Remember, it gave us the script before. This script, this text to image prompt, we used to generate that image. Now it also gave us a 10-second script. So this is the script we are copying. You click on it, we'll copy it. Then we head over to the app we're going to use. So I'll be using Google Flow for this. Google Flow to generate this video. Click on the first one. Then click on create with Flow. Tap on it. Tap on new project. Then, as you can see this little box here, you tap on this box. And you can see you have image here, you have video, you have frames here, you have regular, you have the aspect ratio 9:16. But we are creating video now, not image. So we'll leave it at video. Then we'll leave it at these frames. Then we are going to change our aspect ratio to 16. That's 16:9 because we are using it for YouTube. If we are for TikTok or Instagram Reels, we'll leave it at that portrait, which is 9:16. So we'll leave the output, we'll leave it at 1x. And we are good to go. We are generating with a view 3.1 fast. As you can see, we have view 3.1 light, view 3.1 fast, view 3.1 quality. View 3.1 fast is quite okay because we are able to generate. You see, generated with use 20 credits. So 20 credit it will consume to generate our video. So okay, you click on the box back and it is. So we're going to paste the, first of all, we are going to bring in our image. We can do either we'll bring in an image first or paste the prompt, but let's just paste the prompt here. We'll paste the prompt we copied here, paste the prompt here. So we will click on the image we want to use. Click on this start here and we'll look for the image that banana that we created. So I'm going to my gallery now to get that particular image. Okay, I have it here. This is the image. Sorry for it to load. Okay, as you can see, this is the image I've uploaded. So the next thing is for us to click on enter so that the image will now say this right up. Wait for it to generate. Okay, as you can see, this is what we got. It has given us our video. Let's play it and see what comes up. Like I said, let's play it and see.
Turn brown in 2 days and suddenly I'm unusable? Do you even know how sweet I get when I ripen? You waste me at my peak, yeah, that's the real problem. Turn brown in 2 days and suddenly I...
Okay, we have gotten our video. The next thing is for us to tap on it.
I ripen? You waste me at my peak, yeah, that's the real problem. Turn brown in 2 days and suddenly I'm unusable? Do you even know how sweet I get when I ripen? You waste me at my peak, yeah, that's the real problem. Turn brown in 2 days.
So we have downloaded the video. So as we can see, now we can still go to ChatGPT and look for, head over to ChatGPT again for another fruit. This is the one we had before, the one we just did banana. So we can take, okay, let's go to apple. I'll click on this copy icon, and I go to Germany. Go to Germany AI. Germany AI. So I tap on it, and I'm going to paste in the prompt I first of all, okay, we have to tap create image. Then I paste in the prompt that I copied. Then I click on enter. Wait for it to generate our image to be generated. Okay, as you can see, wow, our image is created. As you can see, so we'll tap on the image. You see this, when you tap on it, you see down here, you click on save, and it will be downloaded to your gallery. So we are going to, you click on done, and we are going to convert this. We are going to go back to ChatGPT again to copy the. First of all, let's go to the other app we'll be using, which is Flow, which we used before. We open Flow. Once it open up, create with Flow. Remember, you must have signed in with Flow before you can get to this interface. Then click on New Project. Now we head back to ChatGPT again to copy the script for the Apple. This is the script for the Apple. I'll tap on it, copy the script, then click on copy, and I'll take it to Google Flow. Take it to Google Flow here. Okay, I'm going to paste the prompt that I copied here. So I paste the prompt that I copied. Like I said, you can actually change this thing. You can change the write-up. Okay, let's change this to, you say you bruise once, panic. Meanwhile, I sit here, polished and ignored. Perfection isn't loud, it's consistent. But I'll just change it like, it's me now. It's me now. Okay, just to show that you can change it. Now I'm going to bring in the image. Click on upload image. That's the Apple we already generated. Image we just generated. You click on it. I'll click on done. Okay, our image have been uploaded. So we'll click on go, enter rather, and we'll wait for our image to generate. So we'll wait for our video to generate rather. Also, no, remember this part here. Remember this corner here. Remember here must be on video. If you are creating video, this box, you tap on it, ensure that it is on video, not image. You have image, you have video, ensure it's on video. It's only when you want to create image that you can leave it at image, but if it's not image, leave it at video always. Tap on it back to go. So wait for our image to our video to generate. Okay, fine, our video has generated. So let's tap on it and play. Let's see what it has.
You bruise once and panic. Meanwhile, I sit here polished and ignored. Perfection isn't loud, Thou, it me now. You
Okay, this is
bruise
fine.
once and
You have to,
panic.
then you
Meanwhile,
click
I
and
sit
hold on
here
it.
polished and
Then
ignored.
you click on download,
Perfection
and your
isn't
video will
loud,
be
Thou,
downloaded to
it me
your
now.
gallery.
You bruise
So you
once
can
and
do this to
panic.
as many
Meanwhile,
videos
I
as you want,
sit
and
here
moreover, you
polished
can
and
type in
ignored.
what you want it to say. You can change what it is saying, type in the kind of word you want it to say, and it will definitely do that. The next thing is to head to your CapCut app and bring in all the videos. You don't have to do any editing, just bring them in. I click on new video here. I'm going to, then it comes to my gallery. I'm going to tap the videos. The tap about 1 2 3 4, the extra ones I created. Then I click on add. See add below. I click on add. Then I'm not actually going to do anything. Then they are here. Then I'll just click on I did not edit any chat. You click on export here. You can see export here. You click on export here, and all of them will be exported to your gallery.